Since you guys have been loving the reviews that I'm doing, I thought why not to bring you guys another one of those reviews. So today I'm going to review this Organic Harvest Anti-Tan Face Scrub with liquid shea butter and pro vitamin B5. It is dermatologically tested. Let me first show you how it looks. So this is the packaging. Now let me open it and show you how it looks from the inside. So this is how it looks from the inside. It's very similar to the other packaging. This is how it looks. So as you can see, it looks like a cream. It is a cream basically. It has very tiny beads. Let me show you. So I'm going to scoop out some of it and show you on my hand. So as you can see, it has like almost like the beads are almost the size of salt granules. They're very light, very small, and it's a cream base. The granules are still on my skin, but you can't see them actually. I have said in a lot of my videos, first of all, that Organic Harvest is a certified plant-derived, GMO-free, vegan, recycled and a cruelty-free brand, which is very great because they have very clean ingredients, so it's good for your skin. But the thing is that they are a little bit pricey, but you are paying for the ingredients, so I think some of the products are worth the price, but some you can live without them, I would say. So first of all, the price for this one is 595 rupees for a 50-gram bottle. Now I bought it on Smitten. I purchased it on Smitten like 6 to 7 months ago, and I've been using it quite a lot since then. It's not at all sponsored. It's a face scrub, so I only use it for my face. I don't use it for my hands. I don't use it for my body. That's why you can see not a lot is gone because obviously it's expensive. So I use it on my face every once or twice a week. Now let me go through the ingredients. Liquid shea butter, pro vitamin B5, scrubbing beads, olive oil, clove essential oil, camphor essential oil and perfume and cream base. So if you are allergic to any of these, don't buy it. But if you are not allergic and you are fine with organic products used to create this, then it's fine. Obviously it's a tanning scrub and it does the job like any other scrub. It removes tan. It definitely works on you. You are paying 600 rupees and you're getting the worth out of it. 600 rupees for a 50-gram pack. But while in other brands like Lotus and any other brand, you'll get 100 gram for around 150 rupees. So it's very expensive, but at the same time it's organic. The products, the ingredients are very safe. So overall, I love the product, but the only drawback is the price. If you are someone who is allergic to all the other products that aren't 100% organic, go for this product without any doubt. It will worth every penny that you spend on it. But if you are someone who is on a budget and you want something to remove your tan, you are not technically drawn towards the organic part, you can work with any of the scrub that is in the markets. So for me, if I have to say, is this 100% necessary to own? No, it's not. You can work with any other scrubs that are in the market. If they suits your skin, you are good to go. You don't have to spend 600 rupees to buy this. You have the money, and if you want something that's organic, if you want something which is nice, you can definitely buy this. It definitely works on your skin. It's organic. It has its perk with the money, but with the money you have to spend the money, but you can definitely charge its luxury through it. So overall, the product is great. It smells like daisies and it smells good. I really like the smell. So if you don't have any problem with the smell, then it's fine. I would definitely approve it. And second of all, if you buy it on Smitten or any of the websites, you get 20 to 30% off, which will save you money. So it will come down to around 450 rupees, 500 rupees. So you will definitely save some coin. I hope you like the video. If you like the review, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel as always. And comment down below any other video that you want me to do. I would 100% do it. And I would see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye.